Welcome back to our channel, where we discuss all things personal finance and help you make the most of your money. Today, we've got an eye-opening topic: 10 personal finance rules school doesn't teach you. While you might have taken those mandatory classes in school, there's a whole world of financial wisdom they didn't cover. But don't worry, we've got your back. Let's dive right into the first rule. Rule 1. College debt isn't always necessary. Contrary to what many believe, student loans aren't the only path to a college degree. You don't need to saddle yourself with debt to achieve your educational goals. In fact, around 85% of new graduates grapple with student loan debt, which can be a substantial financial burden right at the start of their careers. But there are alternatives. You can choose affordable schools, attend part-time while working, begin your educational journey at a community college, or explore institutions that offer generous financial aid and scholarships. The key is not to let student debt dictate your life choices. Carefully consider your options and select the one that aligns best with your financial goals and aspirations. Rule 2. Guard your health. Your health and well-being aren't just essential for your quality of life. They have a direct impact on your finances. A sudden medical emergency can lead to exorbitant bills, leaving you financially strained or forcing you to borrow money. Medical costs can quickly spiral out of control, and without adequate health insurance, you could find yourself in a precarious financial situation. Thus, it's vital to have a medical insurance policy that covers your needs. But don't stop there. Investing in your health by adopting a healthy lifestyle, exercising regularly, maintaining a balanced diet, and avoiding costly vices can significantly reduce your healthcare expenses and safeguard your long-term financial stability. Rule 3. Taxes. Taxes are a ubiquitous part of adult life, but schools rarely teach you how to navigate the complex world of taxation. Understanding how taxes work is crucial, as it directly affects your take-home pay, financial planning, and pricing strategies for your products or services. Before you receive your first paycheck or make your first sale in your business, it's essential to familiarize yourself with the tax system. You should know how to calculate your tax rate and determine how much money you'll actually receive after deductions. Thankfully, many online calculators can do this work for you, breaking down your gross pay, tax payable, and your take-home pay. Being informed about taxes ensures you can make sound financial decisions that align with your needs and goals. Rule 4. Rules of insurance. Insurance is a critical aspect of financial security, and you must make informed decisions about the types of coverage you need. If there's anyone financially dependent on you, a child, a spouse, or a parent, getting life insurance is vital. Term policies are usually the most cost-effective choice. Additionally, you should ensure that your assets, such as your car, home, and health, are adequately insured to protect yourself from unexpected financial shocks. Consider umbrella insurance, which consolidates multiple policies and often offers discounts. It's crucial to take your time comparing rates and understanding the features offered by different insurance providers. A well-thought-out insurance strategy can provide peace of mind and protect your financial stability even when unforeseen events occur. Rule 5. Secrets of credit. One of the most underemphasized topics in school is the importance of credit management. Your credit score is a pivotal aspect of your financial health and can significantly impact your financial future. Many young people mishandle their first credit cards, maxing them out and accruing high-interest debts. Schools often fail to teach the significance of a good credit history. However, it's a life skill you must master. Your credit score can determine your ability to purchase a home, get a car, secure business loans, and reach various financial milestones. To build and maintain a strong credit score, start by obtaining a credit card, making regular, on-time payments, and managing your debts responsibly. A robust credit history is essential for your financial well-being and success as an adult. Rule 6. Compound interest. The power of compound interest is a well-kept secret, and young people have a significant advantage in harnessing its potential. Time. While immediate financial success may seem out of reach, utilizing the power of compound interest can pave the way for long-term prosperity. By consistently saving and investing even small sums of money in high-interest accounts, you can amass substantial wealth that compounds over time. It's like watching your money grow exponentially. To illustrate the impact of compound interest, consider this example. If given the choice between pay $3,000 or a penny that doubles in value every other day, most people would choose the $3,000. However, the penny, through the magic of compounding, would be worth a staggering $10 million in just 30 days. By understanding and capitalizing on compound interest, young individuals can secure their financial future more effectively. Rule 7. Budgeting basics. Budgeting is a fundamental skill that is often overlooked in schools, yet it's a crucial aspect of financial literacy. Graduating without an understanding of how to manage bills, create budgets, and differentiate between wants and needs can leave you at a disadvantage. After all, life's expenses don't wait for you to figure it out. Everyone should know how to plan a lifestyle that is financially sustainable. This means not only having the knowledge to budget for all your bills, but also ensuring that you have enough left for essentials like groceries and savings. While budgeting is undeniably important, tracking every penny daily can be cumbersome. Instead, you can adopt a tactical budgeting approach. Create budgets and plans for an extended period, such as 6 months, and allocate your money into different accounts to prevent overspending. Periodically refer to your plan to stay on track, ensuring that your financial goals remain within reach. Rule 8. Emergency Fund. Surprisingly, many schools don't emphasize the importance of having an emergency fund. Recent statistics reveal that approximately 40% of Americans lack the funds to cover a $400 emergency. This is a concerning statistic that underscores the widespread neglect of this essential financial safety net. Imagine losing your job today. Would you have the money to cover your immediate expenses and stay afloat? The golden rule is to have at least 6 months' worth of living expenses saved up in an accessible account. However, having an even larger emergency fund is even better. By establishing and consistently building your emergency fund, you protect yourself from unforeseen financial crises, providing a sense of security that can significantly reduce stress and anxiety in difficult times. Rule 9. Save, save, save. Saving is a cornerstone of personal finance, yet the guidance you receive in school typically recommending saving 10% of your income isn't always sufficient. To retire comfortably, especially if you're not earning a massive income, a more realistic savings target is in the range of 25% to 40% of your earnings. While 10% is an acceptable starting point for building your savings habit, it's crucial to recognize that it may not be adequate to achieve your long-term financial goals. To save more, you need to scrutinize your expenses and cut unnecessary costs. Instead of indulging in daily treats, redirect that money into a savings account with a better interest rate. Saving more, especially during your peak earning years, can substantially increase your financial security and provide a more comfortable retirement. Rule 10. Buying your first home. Purchasing your first home is a significant financial milestone, but school lessons often neglect essential aspects of this endeavor. While you may have heard that you need to save up 20% of a home's value for a down payment, the financial trade-off between paying more upfront and waiting to save the full 20% is seldom explored. In today's economic landscape, real estate appreciation often outpaces stagnant wage growth. This makes the 20% goal seem increasingly unattainable over time. The rule here is to consider your capacity to comfortably save 20% within a 5-year horizon. If it's feasible, go ahead and make that down payment. However, if it would take you longer, you risk chasing a moving target as home prices continue to rise. Careful evaluation of your financial situation is crucial before embarking on this homeownership journey. That wraps up our discussion on 10 personal finance rules school doesn't teach you. Remember, school is essential, but it doesn't cover everything you need to know about personal finance. We hope these rules have shed some light on the path to financial success. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more finance insights and tips. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.